Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and here we are at day 4 of 7 days of summer. Today we've got from Kara Brandon, we've got some, we're about lemons, and we've got some tags, a pocket, a couple of cards, a couple of mason jars, and a label. And from Julie, we've got more old-fashioned lemons, but still lemons nonetheless, except for this one, which has the little girl with daisies. So we've got lemons on a postcard, lemons on a paper. Here we've got some dictionary definitions, including lemon and lemonade. Here we've got another little bit of calendar on the pink paper with watermelon and lemons. More lemons here, and lemons here, and here, and here. So, what I have done for today is, the first thing I did was, the background that I've got here is from Kara Brandon's Summer Journal, the lemon page from that. And then I took one of Julie's tags here, lemon tags, and I used some scrapbook paper, and it says, "Live life in full bloom." And turn that, and here I've got some green gingham, and I took this right off of the tag from Kara, and just put that on here, on top of Julie's lemons, and I just made a little notepad. So there are, I believe, 7 sheets in here just to write some notes on. And this will be glued down on the page, but then the pad will slide in and out. I think most of you have seen me make one of these before, but I think it's a great way to add some journaling space. Okay. And then the little braided piece just helps keep the pad from flopping around when you're turning pages. So that will be put on a page. Then you'll remember a couple of days ago, may have been on day 1, I did a waterfall that flipped up. So this time I've also done a waterfall using Julie's postcard and Kara's 2 cards. But this time, the waterfall goes out to the side. And again, this is part of that lemon page from Kara Brandon's Summer Journal Pages kit. So you've got plenty of journaling space. And then those just flip back over. And this I will be putting down on a page, and I haven't decided whether I'll be putting it completely down or whether I'll be leaving this side open as a pocket, which very well may be what I do. But the little tag or the little card I just decorated with a little bit of yellow gingham and one of Julie's dictionary definitions that has lemon and lemonade. And on this one I just put a little more of the yellow gingham, Kara's tag, and one of her mason jars. And this one seemed pretty well already decorated, so I didn't see the need to do anything with that. So these are the 2 items that I made for day 4, and they will go into my journal, which is really going to be more like a summer album type thing. That I'll show you at the very end. So that's what I've got for today. Be sure to check out all the other amazing artists with their links down below, or you can search by hashtag 7 Days Summer Digi 2021. And I will see you tomorrow with day 5. Bye, everyone.